Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up the second screen app for your PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The second screen app lets you use your phone as a controller for your PS4, and some games have extra content such as maps or quest menus on the second screen. Here's how to set it up. On the App Store of your mobile device, search for and download PS4 Second Screen. When you launch it for the first time, log in to your PlayStation account. Make sure your PS4 and your mobile device are both connected to the same network for syncing to work. On your PS4, go to Settings, then go to Mobile App Connection Settings, and then choose Add Device. Once you've done that, your PS4 console should appear on the second screen app. Tap it to pair it. Enter the code into the app that is displayed on your PS4 screen to confirm it. Your app and PS4 are now linked. Tap Second Screen. You can now use your app to control the PS4, and you can use the tabs at the top to change the view. The first tab is to access the actual second screen, but you will only see stuff here if the game you're playing has second screen features. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.